welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching new video of property.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, property location.
Here is the nearby attraction and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which will address many of the basic questions about this property.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Category 3. Category 4. Next, we talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. Guests may be required to present photo ID and check-in. The property is secure to the person reserved the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The condition of the property is outstanding and guests like to enjoy the surroundings. Both categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.
Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.
For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, then you can let us by comment. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed